Are you fascinated by spy movies and secretly wish to become a spy yourself? Well, you don't have to join the CIA or MI6 to live out your espionage fantasies. Thanks to technology, you can get your hands on some amazing spy gadgets that will make you feel like James Bond himself. From hidden cameras disguised as everyday objects to hidden spy earphones and rearview mirror sunglasses. These gadgets will leave you feeling like a true secret agent. So get ready to explore the world of espionage with our top 10 must-have spy gadgets that will blow your mind. Welcome to Tech Genius Official, where tech meets genius. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Keki Super HD Wrist Smartwatch. Hey, did you know that a smartwatch is not just for telling time anymore? Yep, that's right. Keki has created a smartwatch that's perfect for the spy in you. You can record sound and video, take photos, and even shoot 2K high-definition color video. Plus, you have the option to turn on or off the timestamp feature, and the battery lasts for a whopping 60 minutes. And let's not forget about its stealthy look. This watch is slick and modern, but still manages to take clear photos and high-quality video. Number 9. The Spy Bolt Covert Hidden Contents Secret Container. Have you ever heard of a hollow bolt? It's a bolt that can actually hide stuff. Pretty cool, right? This little guy can hold a space that's 2.8 cubic inches big, which is just enough to stash your money or other small items while you're undercover. This hollow bolt has an 8 cubic inch capacity, and it's got an O-ring seal to keep your goodies nice and secure. Plus, it's got some reverse threadings and 2 bolts, one of which is smaller than the other. I don't know about you, but I'm starting to feel like a spy already. But wait, there's more! The backward threading actually makes it impossible for anyone to steal your hidden treasure, which makes this hollow bolt the perfect hiding spot for your small, valuable items. So go ahead and stash away. Just make sure you remember where you put them. Number 8. Utimes Leather RFID Cell Phone Signal Blocking Pouch. Do you ever worry about your personal information being stolen through your cell phone or credit cards? Well, fear not, my friend, because I've got just the thing for you. It's a leather case for your cell phone that can actually stop RFID signals from getting through. That means if you've got this handy-dandy pouch, you can protect yourself from thieves trying to steal your RFID information. Now, I know what you're thinking. A leather pouch for my cell phone? That sounds pretty old school. And you're not wrong, it might not be the most stylish accessory in your collection, but let me tell you, it does the job. It's got phone signals blocking radio frequency identification, anti-degaussing, and protecting against radiation. Plus, it's small and lightweight, so you can easily slip it into your pocket. Number 7. JMD HKK AntiSpy RF Detector. Do you ever feel like someone might be spying on you? Whether you're a secret agent or just a regular person, it's always better to be safe than sorry. That's where the JMD HKK AntiSpy RF Detector comes in. It's like your very own spy gadget that can detect other spy gadgets. So what kind of features does this detector have, you ask? Well, it's got LED laser technology that can find any wired or wireless devices that are hidden, as well as magnetic fields and radio waves. Basically, it's like a superhero that can see through walls and detect any spy gadgets that are lurking around you. Plus, it gets a high grade, so you know it's reliable. Number 6. SpyTech STI GL300 Mini Portable GPS Trackers. Have you ever been worried about where your car is or what it's doing when you're not around? Maybe you're just a bit of a control freak. No judgment here. Or maybe you're just trying to catch your teenage daughter sneaking out at night. Either way, car tracking can be a useful tool to have in your arsenal. With the SpyTech STI GL300 Mini Portable GPS Tracker, you can track your car quickly and accurately. This little gadget may be small and compact, but it does its job well. It keeps tabs on your vehicle so you can rest easy, whether you're trying to catch a thief or just keep an eye on your wayward teenager. This GPS tracker will give you accurate information about the car's location and movement. Plus, its small size means it won't be immediately noticeable, so you can keep your spying on the down low. Number 5. Spy USB Charger Camera. Did you know that your USB adapter can do more than just charge your phone? With the USB spy camera adapter, you can snap some sneaky pics and view them on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone in a jiffy. Plus, with its built-in 32GB SD card, you can store all your top-secret spy intel with ease. This nifty product comes with some pretty cool features, like a 1080p HD hidden camera, motion detection, loop recording, and a true wall charger. It looks like a regular adapter, so no one will suspect a thing. You can charge your phone and gather intel all at the same time without raising any red flags. Number 4. QMax Mini Hidden Spy Earphones. Introducing the small but mighty wireless earphone that uses electromagnetic induction to change the sound stream. The QMax earphones are so tiny that no one will even notice you're wearing them. Perfect for those times when you don't want to show off your earpieces, right? But don't be fooled by its size. This little guy packs a punch. You'll be able to hear everything crystal clear, and the other person will hear you loud and clear too. Plus, it's compatible with a ton of devices like calls, FM radio, and MP3 players. Number 3. The DB Power RC Quadcopter Drone. Ahoy, drone enthusiasts! With this drone, you'll be able to take your photography game to new heights. Quite literally. It's easy to control using just your phone, and with the MJXH app, you'll be able to see everything the drone's camera sees in real time. Just make sure your Wi-Fi is connected to the MJXH signal, and you're good to go. When you're finished with your flight, don't worry about losing your drone in the vast expanse of the sky. Just press the return button and it'll come back to you. Plus, the C4005 FPV camera has a high resolution, so your pictures and videos will be crystal clear. This drone also comes equipped with a headless mode, a 360-degree flip, and bright LED lighting, making it perfect for nighttime flights. And with its large battery and user-friendly controls, you'll be able to keep the fun going for hours. Number 2. RFWin Rearview Mirror Spy Sunglasses. So you're a spy now, huh? Well, congratulations! But hold on, how do you plan on keeping an eye on everything happening behind you without making it obvious that you're spying? You can't just turn around like a paranoid chicken all the time, right? Luckily, we have just the gadget you need to keep an eye on the sneaksters trying to sneak up on you. Introducing trendy glasses that are anything but ordinary. They look like normal glasses, but they have a unique design that allows you to see what's happening behind you without breaking your neck. Yep, that's right. You can keep looking straight ahead while also checking out what's happening behind you. And the best part? The lenses are of respectable quality. No cheapo knockoff glasses here, folks. Number 1. Hidden Spy Camera Pen. Covert cameras are a spy's best friend, especially if you're trying to catch someone in the act. But you have to be sneaky and subtle about it, or else you'll blow your cover. Enter the GS Covert Spy Camera Pen. It's a pen, it's a camera, it's everything you need to get the dirt on your target. This pen is a real-life James Bond gadget with features like still photography, movie recording, loop recording, and motion detection. Plus, it has night vision with starlight, so you can work in the dark like a ninja. The camera lens is made in Japan, ensuring the highest quality possible, and it records in 1080p HD, so you won't miss a single detail. The pen also comes with a 32GB SD card, so you'll have plenty of space to store all your covert footage. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. Which gadget did you like the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, remember to hit like and subscribe with the notifications bell turned on so you can check out our future videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.